This is the third delay this week. We cannot proceed without the summons being delivered.
We have all heard a phrase "Tariq pe tariq," but do you know why such delays happen? The reason is a piece of paper. If physical summons couldn't be served because of wrong address, bad weather, or someone simply not being at home, the entire legal process goes to the halt. Every time a court summon is delayed, justice doesn't just slow down, it quietly bleeds. Files pile up, witness disappears, accused person exploit loopholes, and the common citizens, they wait. This is not a system problem, this is a delivery problem. That is exactly what e-summon fixes. Now imagine this instead. A court issues a summon, but not on a fragile paper, not through endless police visits, but digitally. That is e-summon under India's new criminal laws. The criminal justice system finally accepts a simple truth. Justice delayed because of technology failure is still justice denied. Hence, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita expressly recognized the use of electronic communication for delivery of summons through emails, SMS or any digital platform with verifiable proof of delivery. Now, combine e-summons with Bharatiya Saksh Adhiniyam. Digital proof of service become admissible evidence. Now, adjournments drop and accountability rises. And under Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, where speedy trial is not a luxury but a principle, e-summons becomes a force multiplier. Because speed is not an enemy of justice, but uncertainty is. For too long, wheels of justice were slowed down by weight of a paper. We were 21st century nation running on a 19th century delivery system. But today, a click on the button is replacing knock on the doors.
The traditional system caused frustrating delays. But with the introduction of e-summons,